Hoy, kuya, nakatambay! Hoy. Wait, ano ba gagawin ko? Ba't may nakatambay dito? Kuya, bawal tambay dito, ha? Hoy! Hoy! Okay, sorry. Medyo nawawalan lang ng ano dito, ng kuryente. Okay, boy. Help us understand what really happened that day. Uy, teka, bakit nag-uumpisa agad dun? Akala ko magpe-play agad eh. So, hello everyone. Ako nga pala si Nick, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Pisonet. So, dito sa horror game na to, ang alam ko lang is isa tayong tagabantay ng Pisonet. Tapos, horror game siya. And, Filipino horror game siya. So, yes, another Filipino game. And I'm so hyped. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's play Pisonet. Subject Jeff. Uy, Santos. Uy, teka, kapatid ko to ah. Bakit nagpe-frame drop ako? Am I lagging? Chat? Chat. Ba't nagpe-frame drop? Bakit may nagchat-chat? Sa akin ba yun? Or... Sino kausap ng mga to? Terraria Pisonet. Sa akin ba yun? Ba't ako on the messenger sa akin eh? Ah, sa game. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. May nakabukas palang messenger sa akin. Sorry, akin. Tiriring. Teka, close ko lang. Para walang maingay. Huwag na manood. Okay, anong gagawin ko dito? Time. Wait, anong oras na to? Hoy, kuya, nakatambay! Hoy. Wait, ano ba gagawin ko? Ba't may nakatambay dito? Kuya, bawal tambay dito, ha? Hoy! Hoy! Okay, sorry. Medyo nawawalan lang ng ano dito, ng kuryente. Jeff! Hello, Jeff. That one you real good, right? Sige, Jeff. Ha? Anyway, you're dismissed, soldier. Ano ba sinasabi nito? Ano ba, Jeff? Just gonna arrange a chair real quick, then I'll leave. Okay, bye. Hindi ako pumiyok, ha? Or here comes the employee of the month. Ah, okay. Trabahador siya dito. Yung com shop ano pa. Anong tawag dito sa aircon na to? Yung mahaba, malamig yan, di ba? Alright. Oy, kuya! Teka, baka... Uy, nagte-Tetris. Uy! Nilalaro ko to dati sa com shop. Yung Tetris na yan sa FB. Tapos yung tugtugan ko pa nun. Tetris, bao ako. Sana'y pilin mo. Nagdis ba? Ay! Ako sa'yo! Tapos ito, nasa gilid yan. Siyempre, nasa gilid. May... Uy! Yan, ini-stock mo dyan, ha? Ang bilis mag-aaltab, oh. Tiga mo. Ito, nagdodota. Tiga mo. Yan. may pinapanood yan. Ngayon, lapit ako dyan. O, nakapag-altab agad. Kuya, alam ko na yung tinatago mo dyan sa likod ng tab na yan. Ha? Ang bilis ng kamay mo, ha? Pero sige, okay lang yan. Pero bakit PisoNet tapos may server, no? Bakit may server pa? PC1, PC2, on. Ikaw, Jeff, pa. Pinabad trip mo ako, ah. Ayusin na natin to. Kuya! Pwede umalis ka na muna dito. Bawal kasi tambay dito, eh. Binabaksitan mo pa yung bata, eh. Marunong naman mag-Dota yan. Kuya! Bahala na nga. Ayaw makinig. Oh, ba't walang monitor to? Ano nangyari dito? May sumapak na ito. Ba't nakaano yung monitor? Nakababa. Op, 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 op. Sorry na ang Meralco eh. Wait, mag-arrange. Okay na ako mag-arrange ng chair, ah. Ano pa ba ayusin ko? Oy, ano nyo na yan, ah. Lasulog nyo na yan, ah. Pinaka-bigti. Ewan ko, shadow lang. Kuya, ah. Lasulog nyo na yan, ah. Patayan ko kaya ng ano to, no? Bawal ba? Pindutin ko na yung PC mo. Bakit 20 hours pa yan? Ilan ba yan? 20 minutes? Kuya. Saan ba ako pupunta? Magagala-gala muna ako. No watching! Bawal manood. Kuya, nababasa nyo ba to? Hoy! Sasapakin ko na to. Hoy, kuya! Hindi pala nag-bug yung game. Sira ulo lang ako. Hey, same day tomorrow. Sure, I'll be here. Bakit nag-what the F ka? Bawal yan dito. Hindi kasi kanina na-skip ko yun. Ba't nagawa what the F kayo? Bawal yan dito. He started as a part-time job at our local PisoNet shop to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like someone's always watching him. They say some people are medium sensitive to things beyond. You don't want that. But on that night, when he is on duty, it gets worse. The air changes. Something watches and he feels it. He can feel it. Hi, Ali. Bakit ba? First encounter, ano ba to? Business was slow. Nasaan na? Yung ganda. Naman yung ganda. Tama na to, tama na. Wala nang customer. Magsarado na tayo. Sorry. Ingay ko. Si Jeff, hindi dumating si Jeff ngayon. Tapos, why that chair move? I arranged that earlier, huh? It's scary. It's scary. Why this slot always empty? The slot always empty. You see the monitor. It's like that. No one will play that. I just have to get the parts on the shelf. Okay, okay. I need to pick up PC case and UP to the slot machine. Okay, this one. This one? PC. This one. I fix PC. Yes. This one. I fix PC. This one. ABR. This is called ABR, right? Oh, wow! The PC jumping! The PC jumping, bro! Wow! Wow! Okay, I do this. There, I fix PC. Why the aircon turn off? Oh. The Pisonet, you want to play Pisonet? You want to play Pisonet? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You want to play Pisonet? Higan. Why black screen? I can't forget what happened that night. And since then, you always felt back pain. Oh, back pain. Oh, the mumu is in my back. Oh, he took his leave and rest for a few days. Since he couldn't afford to lose a job, he forced himself to get back to work. Oh my God, man. The mumu here, bro. But things to change. He kept angry. Why you make angry ghost, ha? Too hard to talk. He became distant. Kawawa naman si Jeff. Distant na. October 29, 2018. The Presence. I see in my Twitch the English only 3 minutes ago. Dam. Broski. Ano to? Hello? How's the shop going? Ah, si Jeff. Where are you? I need to go now. Almost there. Wait for me. Okay. You better be here by 9:55. Okay, 9:55. I only have 2 legs, Call ended. Wow! Wait, I want to tell you something. Wala na, binabahan ka na. Weird. PC5 is on. This can't be right. I need to check PC5 slot. Oo nga, bakit naka-on yung PC5? I think may kababalaghang ginagawa dito sa PC5. Sa PC5. Ano ba naman kasi yan? Ba't nalalaglag bigla yan? Thank you sa 55 bits, Ate Lizzie. Uy, SF. Ay, SF ba to? Or CF? Ano bang pinagkaiba ng CF sa SF? Pero CF nilalaro ko dati. Eto, usual customer to dito, no? Lagi to dito sa PC nat. Ops! Psst! Hoy! I'm too tired for this. I want to go home now. But I need to arrange it. But my O, patay naman yung PC5. Teka nga. Patay naman yung PC5, pero dito naka-on. Bakit ganon? Inini namin naman yung ganda. Naman namin na sana naman na. Ininasin namin yung ganda. Oy, kayo dyan ha. Labas na kayo dito. Bawal kasi tambay dito, ha? Lalo na kalbo pa tong isa. Ay, hindi. Nakamohoks pala to. Sorry. Akala ko kalbo ka. Huy! Hello? Toy? Bawal manood ng ano dyan. Hoy, bata. Okay ka lang? Asan mga nanay mo? Asan magulang mo? Asan tatay mo? Okay, nawala na siya. Ano ba meron sa PC5 na to? Ay, yung speaker nyo ba? Ay! Ano ba yan? Kumustahan nyo dito ah? Nagulat ako, busy. Ito, what is a child? It still doesn't understand what the boy wants from him. We have no choice. He's the only one that can see him. Ako lang nakakita dun sa nagmumultong nagmumultong bata dito sa com shop. Maybe this is the reason he was given this ability. He thought he's finally gonna use it. He pulled himself together. He overcomes his fear. Feeling ko nakapasan na talaga yung mumu sa akin. He only wanted to help him. Ba't kasi sa com shop nang hihingi ng tulong? Sa lahat ng paghihingian ng tulong sa com shop pa. November 1, 2018. Okay, be brave. Ayan, wala ng customer. The mistake. I can do this. Bakit the mistake? I'm here. Show yourself. Show yourself. I want to help you. Tutulungan natin yung multo. If it says you what you want. Not again today. Huh? You want me to arrange the chairs? Okay. Oo nga, tuwing nag-arrange ako ng chairs, saka siya nagpaparamdam. Pansin ko din yun. If you don't want me, I'll leave now. I did my phone before I go. Ikunin natin yung phone. Ay, talaga naman, oo. Wala na ako nakita. What? Wala nakita nga ni. What? Oy, tutulungan na nga kita eh. Tutulungan na nga. Hindi na sa'yo. Uy, PC5. Newspaper. Authorities suspect foul play. Shop owner under investigation. Oh. It was obviously something was wrong here. Said one neighbor who asked to remain anonymously. People said it was just a machine, but now with this, I don't know. This is ano ba? Ano na lang ako, mag-i-stream na lang ako dito. Wait, what if ako yung bata? No? Oy, di na nakakatuwa ah. The child's cause of death is yet To be determined. Ito yung bata. A young boy, identified is still unknown, was found dead late Tuesday evening in the local Pisonet shop. Oh, dito namatay yung bata. Old was discovered alone and severe bruised, with broken bones and sign of prior abuse. Oh no. Lifeless under one of the computer desks. The shop owner claims to have no knowledge of the child presence or